I need to deconstruct the billable hour. You see, the entire professional service industry, be it consulting, be it legal or creative, is actually built on what is known as the billable hour. And it is from a strategic and an ethical standpoint broken. It is completely broken. Now, when you hire someone by the hour, what you are actually buying, what are you actually buying? Like, have you sat down to ask yourself, what am I actually buying, right? You may say you are buying their time. Yes, you are buying their time. But it actually creates an immediate built-in conflict of interest, because you, the client, actually want your problem solved as fast as possible, but the consultant, they are financially rewarded for taking as long as possible. Now, they profit from inefficiency, they profit from complexity, and they are, in simple terms, billing you for their process, not your outcome, right? Now, we believe this is a strategic failure, and we believe it is a moral failure. And this is why at Mohgix, we never work on a hourly base. We only operate on value-based fees. Now, what does that mean? It means we are not peers in time, we are partners in value. Now, when you engage with us, we are not selling you 40 hours of work. We are committing to architect a specific quantifiable result. Now, our fee is not based on the time we spend. Our fee is based on the value of the outcome that we are creating for you. Now, this actually aligns us completely. It forces us to be efficient. It forces us to be clear, because you're paying for clarity, right? And it means we are both focused on the exact same target, the results, because you also want the result and we also want the results. So if we solve your $100 million or 100 million naira problem in 3 days, this is actually victory. It is not a loss of billable hours, right? And according to the doctrine of Alan Weiss, this is called the posture, or this is known as the posture of the pair. Now, a vendor, a supplier, he sends you a timesheet, but a partner, a peer, commits to a result and shares in the value of that success. So, we don't sell our time. We never will sell our time. We deploy our doctrine to architect a guaranteed outcome, and this is the only thing of real value.